friends, I welcome you in my channel Planet Set Play. We have discussed 5 houses and today we'll talk about 6th house. I told that 5th house is about self-expression and the matters which we do for our own pleasure and what we enjoy. We don't have a criteria of earning money from it, We enjoy watching movies, we watch movies. We don't get money when we watch movies. And we are not obliged to do matters covered under it. Government doesn't tell you that you go for entertainment or you have to watch movies. It's not your responsibility and it's not your obligation. Suppose if a person has Neptune in the 5th house, then he may enjoy watching movies, but he is not obliged to watch movies, or movie is not his responsibility. You may be an artist and enjoy painting canvas for days together, but 6th house will tell that it is great that you enjoy the canvas, but still you need to do so many other daily activities, like you'll sleep. You can't paint whole day, you will have to sleep. You take out time for eating, you take out time for exercise, daily chores, you have to take out time for everything. We have only 24 hours in a day and we cannot do what we like for the whole day. We need to prioritize our time. That's so much time we'll spend in daily routine, so much time we'll spend in sleeping or exercising or meditation or doing, and then after doing all these things, then we'll go for the painting, which we enjoy the most. So the 6th house is sticking to our time management, and if we do not manage it properly, then we get stress, frustration and disease. If you will not exercise or sleep properly or eat properly, then you're likely to become sick. So 6th house is a house of disease. So traditionally 6th house covers health, work, services and mundane activities which you keep on doing. We have to do our duty. We have to work in order to support our existence. Overwork can strain our health, and less work can make a person lethargic and depressed. If a person does not have work, then they get depressed and they get frustrated. Unemployed people experience depression and illness, and because they get mental harassment and that they are not earning enough money or they are not supporting their family. So these are the things. Some people make excuse of illness to get away from the work which they don't like. So if you don't like, then you'll say no, I'm sick. If you don't enjoy your work, you take out you just give the reason of sickness. Any office, factory or an institution is composed of varied workforce, different kind of people of workforce of people, and they have different skills, and when they work together they make perfectly finished product. In a fashion house, somebody will be cutting, somebody will be stitching, somebody will be making designs. And then when they all do together, then the dress comes or the thing becomes ready. Suppose a builder of a project manager employs so many people with different skills. Someone is making drawings, someone is actually doing the building work, and when the product is finished, we get a building. When they unite, then only we are able to give shape to the final product. So work environment, employees, colleagues, and all of them, they are covered under 6th house. So 6th house shows an employment scenario, and business environment is seen through 7th house. Business house partnership from the 7th house, but the service or the employment is seen by the 6th house. 6th house shows anyone who is giving us services also, such as a mechanic, servant, police, municipal people, health professional, beauty professional, all of them, they come under sixth house matters. So people who work for us, they are under sixth house. Our colleagues are also under sixth house. And pets, because they also become a part of our daily routine. So they also come under sixth house. The small animals which we keep as pet, they come under the sixth house, because they give company and elevate our mood, master's temperament. The people who love dog, they can't live without dog. So this also comes in the sixth house, because it's in their everyday routine. If a person has many planets in the sixth house, then they generally have taken interest in fitness. They are fitness freak, or diet or healing technique. They want to keep themselves fit. In Vedic astrology, sixth house shows obstacles, debt, enemies, and competition. It also shows dispute, litigation, and conflicts. In Vedic astrology, it is called Upchaya Sthan, because it pushes us to develop our skill, and when we develop our skill, then we prosper, and we increase our monetary value, or earth. Earth is a monetary value. It gives a struggle, but with time, when a person deals with his obstacles and enemies and competition, then they fulfill their materialistic desire. And deaths, disease, they also come under deaths and disease comes when we are unable to utilize our time properly. If we are not spending the money wisely, or if we are not taking care of the health, then we may suffer through death or disease. It resonates with the sign Virgo, as sixth house sign shows Virgo. So it rules our digestive system, stomach, intestine, and Karak of sixth house is Mercury. So this is my analysis of sixth house. Thank you.